You was good until she pulled up. You scared of a pussy. Mr. Patton, you scared of pussy Patton? He's controlled by that bitch right there. Mommy, get off my mom! Get off my mom! Get off my mom!
February 3rd, 2025, Charlotte County, Florida. A mother calls the sheriff's office. She wants an escort to grab her son's things from a friend's apartment. Deputies call it a standby. It means they wait nearby while someone collects their property without getting involved. Normally, it's routine. This one wasn't. By the end of it, she wouldn't be the one standing by.
Did one of y'all call us?
I actually call because
Okay.
I'm getting my son right now.
Okay.
And this man has a lot of our stuff upstairs. And I want to go up there, but I need to be accompanied by somebody to make sure that all my belongings are out of his house. If I am not able to go up there, then that means I'm not able to get all my belongings, which means if he is able or wants anything of his, he will not receive it.
Okay. I mean, you used to live here, or?
I've never lived with him.
Okay. Why
I've
does he
never
have
lived
your
with him.
stuff?
They had my daughter's ferrets for a couple of nights, which they said it was okay.
Okay. How long? So you were staying here, but you don't live here?
No, I wasn't ever staying here.
But your son's staying here, and he's just all that stuff. That's your son's. Okay. So this is obviously someone you know and trust if your son's here.
I thought I trusted.
Gotcha.
Until
Sure.
I saw what they would be willing, how far they would be willing to
hear
go.
you. So he knows you're here, and he's gonna come down, or?
He came down. I don't want any of my belongings, my son's belongings, her boyfriend's belongings, or her belongings in that room.
Does he understand that you're here just to get all the stuff
He
out?
doesn't seem to understand that because you see, my battery is about to die. I need a new battery. I have not gotten checks.
For your phone, you're talking about?
No, for my whole car. And he thinks that I'm going to give him back the only thing that helps my car move. You think I'm going to give that back? By the way, I gave one to somebody already.
Okay.
So technically, I'm getting it back.
Do you have your ID, ma'am?
I'm
with you?
not giving this. That and he. No.
Yeah, you're done with this, right? You just want your son and your stuff, or your?
I want all of our stuff.
And Dominic's stuff too.
And Dominic's stuff.
Well, I can't hang out. What you're asking for is, I understand why you're asking it, but we consider it a standby, and I'm not allowed to do standbys for situations like this. But what I can do is make sure he's not going to cause any issues.
I want to make sure our stuff is out of there.
Yeah. So
You do understand what I'm saying?
I promise you I do.
So what
But
don't
if
I
there's-
understand what you're, because I must
I'm not allowed to
understand
do
something.
standby. So this would be considered a standby, which is civil, where you are trying to collect items, but you want law enforcement present to make sure everything goes smoothly. We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, I want law enforcement present because they said if I was on this property, they were going to arrest me, which I know is
Who
an
said
absolute
that?
lie.
Like the management here or
No,
something?
Bear told me that the management said that.
Well, that's just
Which-
nonsense, probably.
And that's why,
So.
because if I'm not banned from here, I can clearly just walk up there myself and get it. It's not that serious.
Yeah, your son's here. You don't have to go anywhere. So, but I mean, you, obviously your intention makes sense to me. You just want your son. You want your crap out of there.
That's it.
So you're doing the right thing.
Okay.
But I'm not allowed to stay here and wait for all this to go down.
I just needed to make sure
But
I was
let
actually
me-
not banned so I could go get my
Yeah, I don't really even care to look into it if management's not here. So
Thank
if you have your ID with you, I'll get that done. I'll try and make phone contact with this guy and make sure there's not going to be any issues for you. What's up, man?
How you doing, sir?
You just trying to get her stuff and so she can get out of here?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have your ID on you, bud? And then I'm not going to stay here either.
It's upstairs.
Can I'll walk up with you. How much other stuff you got?
I think we got most of the stuff. We got other stuff.
All right. Just be done with it, dude. Get everything out of there so that way they don't have to come back here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So yeah, like they can't. Yeah, she can't go. She can't go in there. She's not allowed to go in there.
In your apartment?
Yeah, she's not allowed to go up there.
Hey, ma'am.
She's actually
I don't
not
know.
allowed to go in there.
Does she have keys or anything?
No.
Is it locked?
Not the door is unlocked, but the lady said she has problems with coming here. This is not supposed to come here.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Is she going upstairs? Gotcha.
And you can give her a warning of
Can you go grab her and I'll just kind of hang out here with them? The only thing we can really do today, obviously, she has a right to her property. You
Right,
know what I mean,
of
and
course.
I see you're obviously being cooperative, trying
Yeah.
to, which is the only
Yeah,
thing
no,
to do. That
right,
makes sense,
exactly.
and obviously that's her
Right.
son. So
Yeah,
maybe
so-
just try and give it a couple days and talk to her,
Oh,
or no,
I don't wanna
all
do
done.
that.
I got
I've
you,
been
dude.
doing this for 4 years.
Yeah, I hear you. Copy. I'm coming up.
Getting in.
No, you're fine.
Get right.
Is she up here?
Yeah.
They were trying to tell me she walked out in the parking lot.
Well, they saw the door open.
Okay.
They thought he was her, but he wasn't.
It's not because of your ass. You want to be laughing.
Listen, if he says that's not yours, you're gonna have to give that
No,
back.
he says it's not mine. I'm not going to have to give it back. You're
The amount of your
and I said it.
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
Because why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
I'm not.
You was good until she pulled up. You scared? You scared of a Mr. Patton? You scared of Patton?
What are we talking about?
Exactly. You weren't just acting like this downstairs until she pulled up.
I'm not.
Now it's something different. You scared of Pussy Patton? I guess you are.
Okay.
I'm taking the stairs. You're taking the damn long. If you said it's not mine, but fuck type of shit is that.
I don't know if you have my monitor says they want her trespass from here.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that all hers or yours?
This is mine. She also has a battery starter for a car for me that she has.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the property thing.
Hell yeah, that's why you don't want to stare.
So-
No, the police all fucking because they scared of vagina.
Yeah,
Anyway, I don't know what happened to her.
that's what I tell you. This is it.
No, I get it.
My boards everywhere. Our shit was spread.
So
the fuck
it's
out.
clear now she
Everywhere.
has no rights inside this building anymore, and that's per management, obviously. Since now I understand,
Right.
so we'll trespass her.
Do you have her info? I don't.
I already ran her.
What's her
She
name?
was the RO. I didn't write her stuff down. She didn't have her DL.
Oh, do you remember her name?
Nicole. We'll be here for a minute. If you see something else you want to bring down, then bring it.
You acting
But
like you scared and
knock it off. What's wrong with you?
him.
You're acting like a.
I'm
piece of
acting
work
like
right
what?
now.
You acting like you scared.
Get
Come
over
on
there.
now.
You're gonna
You just
find
told me I
yourself
could go
going to
upstairs,
jail.
and now you're telling me I can't because of him.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead, dude. She
Oh,
won't
you
go
a
back in.
bitch if I hate like you.
Why he still got Dominic's stuff up there? Dominic on probation. He can't leave this area.
Well, unfortunately, with her behavior now, we're not doing this anymore. So
Thank God.
no, she's not. They don't. Management's there. They said she's not welcome back in.
I ain't never been welcome back in. Shut the hell up. I can't wait to get off this damn. Oh, I'm
brother's
so
on
glad I
the-
Yeah.
never have to know.
Hold on,
Forget
but
my
don't
fucking
go
life.
back
He's the
up
one that
there.
leaves.
She's just been trespassed from the property, banned by the same friend she trusted enough to leave her son with. That's the moment the standby stops being routine. She refuses to sign paperwork. A deputy says he'll leave it in her car instead. She doesn't wait for that. She shoves him. It happens in seconds, but the deputy sees it clearly. In Florida, that's not just a scuffle. Resisting an officer with violence is a felony the moment contact happens. Her son and daughter are still on scene. They watch deputies grab her and go straight into hysterics. The next few seconds happen fast. She's placed in handcuffs. The kids are still screaming for her. The deputy she pushed doesn't press the point. He just finishes the paperwork.
Listen to me.
He's on the
It doesn't matter at this point.
Yeah,
Okay.
it does. I need my stuff.
It's not enough.
We're not
There's no
gonna-
point. He's scared of. He's controlled by that there.
I need my
Ain't no
stuff.
point in listening to him.
I don't
What?
got
He's
nothing.
controlling
I
him.
started school.
You arguing with him.
I'm not arguing with him. I'm talking to Junior. That's all.
We're not gonna. What was your name, bud? That's your mom, right? So listen, I know that's your mom, and you're just.
I'm on the leash though. Like, I live with her.
I know, but right now with the way she's acting, there's no way you guys are going back inside. That
No,
includes
he-
you, buddy.
he didn't
Listen
do
to me.
it.
I don't.
He can
It
go
doesn't.
in there.
No, I'm telling you no. Stop telling him that, okay?
No, but
Because
he
I'm telling
can go
you.
in there.
I'm
He's
telling
on the
him
leash.
that we're not doing that. You're taking custody of your son, correct?
Hell yeah.
Then he's done. He's not going back in. Okay? He's gonna go upstairs and grab their other things and come back down.
Get
Okay?
Dominic's stuff. All of it. All of Dominic's stuff. Because I need to bring it to you.
You need to get it out your car because we gave you that stuff and you trying to hold it.
If there's anything missing, it's civil. Okay? You'll have to take him to
I'll
civil.
take fucker to court. That's a bitch there. Traitor. That's a traitor. That a traitor.
Where are you guys staying?
You don't stay anywhere. You stay in the car. That's why I need my stuff. Because I'm going back to school.
Yeah.
Okay?
He doesn't want to keep your all stuff. He made it clear he doesn't want her here or have a reason to come here. So
Well, then, I don't know why all of our stuff is not down. I just need
he's gonna go
Dominic's
double check. You heard him. He's gonna go double check. He'll bring it
doesn't-
down.
It doesn't matter. He's a liar. He lied. It doesn't matter what
Okay. If he's lying, I don't know either way. But
we can't go over there to get our stuff.
you guys cannot. Nobody here could go back in there.
What about if Dominic came here since he's not even here?
If
with
you
us?
guys make arrangements at some other date, some other time, that's fine. But right now, because of the way she's behaving, it's causing a disturbance, okay? Other people are out here now wondering what's going on. We're not going to continue that, okay? She wants custody of him, so he's out here.
She been had custody.
Oh, they trying to put somebody in underwear in here. That's not mine. You see what I'm saying? No, damn well this ain't my son's underwear. My son ain't this shit. He can have this shit. I don't like to keep it. I'll give it back. I don't want her dirty shit. This gonna put a dirty ass shirt. You can have that shit. You can have that. I'm about to pick it up.
If it's not yours, you can leave it there.
Huh?
Leave it there if it's not yours.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess there's nothing. Oh, there is. Yeah. Is that it? All right, man. We're getting her out of here. Just head back inside.
All right, thank you.
We're done with it. All right. So listen. Hey, real quick. That kid, don't even bring him back here. Don't invite him. Tell them to take him off the leash or something.
yeah,
so
I
that
did.
because if he comes here,
I
then
did. Yeah, that's more.
you know what I mean.
Trouble.
That's all. All right. I hear you. I hear you.
Put that thing. Mommy, get off my mom! Get off my mom! Get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Relax.
Get off my mom!
Get off.
Get off my mom! Get off
Get
my
off.
mom!
If you do it, it's just gonna get worse. Stop. Hey, if you we're not gonna make it. Hey, it's done. It's done, buddy. It's done. It's done. It's done. Hey, it's done. She's fine. I can't help her if you're over here. I can't help her if you're over here.
Yeah.
305 Central. Send me another one.
Mind your business. You shut up, ugly bitch. Come up here, beat my ass. I'll beat your
Negative. We got one in custody.
It's alright. I'm good. I'm good. I'm
Hey.
good.
Go inside. Ma'am, go inside. You're not helping us.
Money, my business. This ain't your business. Go out. Y'all right ass out here. Money, my business. Come down here. Run my motherfucking way, bitch.
Hey, hey, hey. No.
Come out here, hoe! Scary ass hoe! You out there!
What are you doing?
You out there! What you talking about?
Stop.
And you a wet shot to ugly ass bitch! That's what the fuck you
Hey.
are, hoe!
Hey, I need you for him, okay? If you keep doing that, you're gonna go in handcuffs, okay? Do you hear me?
Get that ugly
I ain't worried about her. She's being stupid. Let her be stupid.
Be mad, hoe!
Did I come across?
I have no idea. Go. Stop talking so I could talk to her for a second. Go inside. You're making things worse. Please. If you keep doing this, being verbal with people, I'm gonna put you back in the car, okay?
Why she not
I ain't worried about it. She's got nothing to do with this. You do though. So relax.
I'm alright. Don't cry.
You want to just put her in the back of your car?
I'm alright.
Yeah, I'm sure you are, but we're gonna go back in the car.
Tell
You
her
want
to come
to take her and
outside.
check her?
Yeah.
I'll go with you. You got gloves actually? Here, put gloves on. That's your daughter, right? Is that your daughter?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
How old is she?
15.
Anybody else like to take care of them? 'Cause you're going to jail.
Not right now.
So we don't have anybody that we can call that can.
I'm gonna let go of you, okay?
Yeah. Can I get a cigarette real quick? If I want to get locked up, can I leave a cigarette? It's right there.
Absolutely not. I mean, it's up to her, but if I had the say in that,
Yeah, I'm not going to uncuff you so you can smoke.
You ain't gotta be uncuffed. You ain't gotta uncuff me. I do
You
it.
want to smoke? Huh?
Yeah.
Once CMS check out, we'll figure it out, but we have to wait for the kid. Nobody comes to
was she? Do you have enough for resisting with violence, or?
Yeah. So the reason I grabbed her is because she said she wasn't signing anything, I was like, okay, so I'll just put it in your car. Don't put it in. And she came and she literally like shook me.
That
So when she-
as soon as I turned, I saw that.
Yeah, when she shook me,
Yeah.
that's when I grabbed her.
Gotcha. So resisting battery on Leo, resisting with violence. Okay.
She getting arrested?
Oh yeah, bud. She can't. She hit her. You can't hit a cop, and you're gonna go to jail if you do that. Okay? We don't want to do that. I've been nothing but nice to her and you guys. And listen,
Where are we going?
buddy. I don't know what to tell you right now. Okay? We'll figure it out. No, we're not gonna leave you guys.
Where's my mom going?
getting arrested?
She's going to jail. Battery on law enforcement. She struck the deputy.
Where are we going?
Not sure. We'll figure it out. We're not leaving you guys here. Obviously, someone will be here for you.
Where are they going?
Yeah, we'll call DCF, and it's going to be up to them where they place you. Okay.
How long does she stay here, Mike? Arrested?
I mean, she'll get bond and stuff. I don't know her history or anything. So.
Okay.
We've been calling you.
She has
I told you I don't have a cell phone.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Oh, the lady I talked to, I
Oh.
told her I don't have a cell phone.
Oh.
Cell phone.
It's a house phone.
It's a house phone.
It's a house phone.
You need a cell phone. 20, 25.
She can't see screens. It makes
I
her
can't.
hacker.
You're like 52 years old.
Excuse me, my eyes will not allow me to. The light
Okay.
from them.
They actually have the flip phone still with bigger numbers. My dad used to have one.
I have one, but it's a pain.
Oh, okay. So are
I
you
don't
willing to
use
take
that
custody of these two? Okay, you were trying to get somebody I know.
Grandmother. I'm
Huh?
their great grandmother.
Oh, we're gonna call
Okay.
grandma?
Where she's
Where's grandma?
Lord, she's
Yeah, where-
she's
in
all the way in
Georgia.
Georgia.
Well,
She's
that-
6
yeah.
hours away, and I'm not gonna have her come here. No.
Well, DCF's gonna have to get involved and transfer out of state and all
No,
of that.
to transfer us out of state?
Mm-hmm.
It's me and Jen are not gonna get separated.
Yeah.
right? We're not gonna get separated?
I don't know.
Oh, my sister. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna get
Anyways,
separated. We should.
so you'll take them for now and then go from there.
She's arrested and charged with resisting an officer with violence and battery on a law enforcement officer. In Florida, battery becomes a felony the moment the victim is a deputy doing their job. Each charge carries up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a $5,000 fine. She's facing both. 2 kids went home with a family friend that night, not with either parent. The deputies get a B+. They stayed patient through nearly 10 minutes of noise before anyone put a hand on her. The one thing they didn't do, separate her from her kids before things boiled over. That timing cost everyone. She gets an F. She started the day asking for police protection. She ended it charged with attacking the officer who gave it to her. The standby she asked for became the arrest she didn't see coming. She's innocent until proven guilty. The charges are pending. If you want more Bodycam breakdowns, the calls that don't go the way anyone expects, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. What grade would you give her? We'll see you in the next one.